nothing. You got boots.
Oh, Charlie got boots. Well, Charlie's Barbie got boots. What'd you get yesterday, Charlie? Because we didn't see yesterday. Oh yeah, she got a milkshake.
It's a coffee.
A coffee.
Coffee milkshake.
Yesterday she got this coffee milkshake thing.
All done.
Wait, Josie, isn't it missing something?
Oh yeah, it's the tree topper. Hey, sister.
This is what Josie got. It's a little Lego Christmas tree. Very cute.
Now, what do we have here?
What do we have here?
Hey, stop looking at me.
What do we have here?
Excuse me, I said stop looking at me.
Is something else talking? Kyle's flock following him. Out collecting eggs. There's Burt Reynolds. Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Today we're going to be making some cookies. We've got a tiny superhero too.
I'm going to kill you.
Oh my. I don't know about this.
But Josie is a bad guy and I'm trying to feed whoever can.
You're gonna feed her?
Yeah, I'm going to kill you. I did nothing wrong.
This is Kyle's recipe. Just in case you want to know the cookies that we're making.
Go get here. Don't do that. Sit on me. No.
First is brown sugar.
Sit on me.
These girls are helping. White sugar. You can't script this.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't script it. Pretty self-explanatory there.
Butter. Gonna blend that. We've got the sugar, the butter, and the eggs. Mixing it all up. Vanilla, how much is that?
A teaspoon, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt.
Semi-sweet chocolate chips and mini chocolate chips.
Semi-sweet.
Put them in the freezer to chill them. So last night, major storms in our area. And what that was a big cold front coming through. Those real nice warm days, they're over. But it was heavy rain and thunder and lightning. Charlie didn't wake up, but Josie did. She came in our room about 1:30 and got in bed and snuggled up. It was so sweet. But I was awake from about 1 o'clock until about 4 a.m. The noise just kept me awake, so I'm tired. Tired today. On the way to school this morning, there was a lot of high water all along the road, and the creeks, all the little creeks were up. An interesting Kentucky fact, if you didn't know, Kentucky has more waterways than any other state, and more counties than any other state. I think we have the same number of counties as there are countries in the world. Interesting. And now you know. So after I took the kids to school, I went and did 3 returns at 3 different stores. And then I went to my parents' house, and they have a creek in their backyard, and that thing was way up. It had gone down a good bit while I was there, but heavy rainfall last night, so all the creeks are up. There's gonna be lows in the 20s for the next like 4 or 5 nights. So all those nice warm days are over. But there is a chance of snow flurries. I mean, if it's gonna be cold, it might as well snow, right? All right, they've been in the freezer for a little while. Our oven is preheated to 365. They're going in for how long?
I'll start at 12 minutes.
12 minutes. All right, the timer went off. Let's see how these bad boys look. Ooh, delicious. Done?
I'm cool.
All right, Kyle's already been into his. I'm gonna try mine. Mmm. How's yours?
It's pretty good.
This is the perfect chocolate chip cookie.
Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Mmm, yeah. Right amount of sweetness and salty. Delicious. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today.
Can I have one more? Can I have one more?
Yeah, you can have one more.
Josie, I can have one more.
Thanks so much for joining us. Love you so much, and see you next time. Bye.